Most people buying a short-term rental in Medellin are trying to solve the same problem. They want something that earns while they're not here and something worth coming back for when they are. The problem is that most of what is available is either one or the other. A good earner that feels generic or a beautiful apartment that doesn't perform. We're at Wake in El Poblado, and what I'm about to show you today is what happens when a brand builds something to solve that problem for you, even before you open up your wallet. All of the details for this property are in the description below. Let's go check it out. Wake designed and built every finish in this apartment. The materials, the furniture, the kitchen, the bathrooms, the color palette, all of it was decided by the brand before this unit was even listed. So the question is not whether you trust your own taste, it's whether you trust theirs. Take a walk through this apartment and you decide for yourself. This is what a hotel brand does when it builds a residential apartment. Earthy tones that feel warm without feeling heavy, a wood panel wall on the left anchoring the Samsung frame TV, soft eggshell white on the right, rugs that pull the whole room together, a kitchen island with a scratchless surface, electric stovetop, built-in oven and microwave. Right as you walk in, a full bathroom with a rainfall shower head mounted at the ceiling height. For a short-term rental, this means guests are never sharing a bathroom they didn't pay for. Everyone in this apartment has their own space. That separation is what justifies the nightly rate. This first bedroom has a queen-size bed, air conditioning, mounted Samsung TV, and its own in-suite bathroom. Gray ceramic sink, rainfall shower head, industrial floor carrying through the design of the social areas. The eggshell walls here are a detail that reads warmer in person than in photos. The closet in this room sits inside the bedroom itself. Functional, clean, enough for a stay of any length. The second bedroom takes it a step further. This is the master bedroom. Imagine yourself waking up to a beautiful Medellin morning overlooking the mountainside here in this beautiful bedroom. It's got air conditioning, a mounted TV, and its own walk-in closet slash bathroom. Instead of a closet inside a bedroom, the closet and bedroom are combined into a single walk-in space. A teal ceramic sink that is one moment in this apartment where the design makes a deliberate color choice and commits to it fully. Same rainfall shower head and same industrial floor. For a short-term rental, this becomes the premium room. For an owner using the apartment personally, this is a room you keep. And then there's this. Every room has access to this balcony. The living room, both bedrooms, which means that this is not just another feature of the apartment, it is the feature. And although the view is nice, that's not the point. It's this jacuzzi back here. Provenza's right there in the background. The rooftops, the neighborhood energy, the sense of being in El Poblado without being on top of it. But the person sitting in that jacuzzi at 10 o'clock on a Friday night is not thinking about the view. They're thinking about whether they can extend their checkout by a day. This is the moment this apartment sells itself, and it happens every single booking. Here's what this apartment is for and who it's for. Wake is one of those buildings that drives its own occupancy. Guests are not searching random 2-bedroom apartments in El Poblado. They're specifically looking for Wake. The building has a name, a reputation, and a hotel-style lobby that sets expectations before anyone opens the apartment door. That means that you're not competing with every other short-term rental in this city. This unit is fully furnished, fully equipped, a short-term rental approved building. You're not making many decisions after purchase. The jacuzzi's already on the balcony. The Samsung frame TV is already on the wall. The rainfall shower heads are already in every bathroom. It works from day one. If you want to see the income numbers, the performance reports are available upon request. All of the listing information is in the description below, and remember, when you're ready to buy a property in Medellin within the next 30 days and you have a budget of over $150,000 and you want to work with our team and our exclusive system, there's a link in the description below to a form. You fill it out and somebody on the team will get back to you as soon as possible. See you guys in the next video.